Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Giggle Fund wallet address on Binance. So as you can see, Giggle just get list on Binance Spot. And if you want to transfer your Giggle token from other wallet or airdrop to Binance, I will show you how to find the wallet address. So first you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see, there is option to add funds. You can click the button, then you can choose on-chain deposit, and then in the search box you can search Giggle. This one you can click it, and you can choose the network, which is only BSC. So you can click it, and this is your Giggle wallet address on Binance. So you can copy it or scan it, and then you can transfer your Giggle token from other wallet to Binance, and you can trade it. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.